Hey Larry, can you hear me?
I can hear you just fine. Can you hear me?
I can hear you, Larry. Good morning. How's it going?
Good, it's going good. I was
Perfect,
expecting
man.
Rebecca.
Oh, Rebecca, yeah, she won't be joining. She is maybe like busy with like some meetings, maybe.
Okay.
Yeah, Larry. So where are you speaking from, by the way?
Where am I? What?
Where are you speaking from?
My home?
Man, like I'm in like which state? Are
Oh,
you?
Texas. Can you see
Oh,
my face?
I cannot, man. It's just
You
like written,
cannot.
Larry. That's all.
I wonder how I do this. Let's see.
You need to maybe turn on your video, maybe. Start a video.
Is that better?
All right, Larry. I can see you just fine. Yeah.
Okay.
Perfect, Larry. So you are selling in Texas. So the company that you own, like the roofing company that you own, do you guys just focus on roofing or like windows, siding, plumbing?
It's roofing only.
Like, do you more emphasize on like roof replacements or is it roof repairs? Okay,
I
got
prefer focusing on replacements, but we'll do repairs too.
got it, Larry. So Larry, like the thing is, like how we generate roofing leads is via Facebook ads. And do you have any experience doing that in the past?
Just myself.
Okay, so if you don't mind me telling that, how was your experience?
It was fine.
Okay, so did you close any sales in the past?
We did.
Okay, perfect. So that's exactly we do, you know, that's exactly how we generate leads and we book appointments too. So let me do this just a second.
Where are you guys located?
So Larry, we are from here in India.
You're in
So
India.
we work with like solar as well as roofing companies in the US.
Do you know anything about the Texas market when it comes to roofing and how difficult it is? Have
What
you
I've
have you done
heard,
your research on that?
yeah, man, like we have worked with a lot of roofers in the past. Right now, we are not working with any roofers right now, but the last I've heard, like the most competitive market for roofing was like California and Florida, as well as the most lucrative ones due to the hailstorms, specifically in like Pensacola area in Florida. So that's all I know about roofing thing in like the best market per se. So when it comes down to you guys selling in Texas, is it like the whole state of Texas or only specific counties?
No, just specific area.
So will it be like DFW area?
Yes, DFW, that's correct.
DFW it is perfect. All right, Larry. So how we work is we are going to say obviously put out ads. I know it sounds very cliche, but what we do differently is like we will assign one VA to your campaign, a virtual assistant, and he will be reaching out and calling all those leads and try to schedule appointments for you guys directly where you just need to confirm the appointments and then go show up. Sounds good?
Well, yes and no.
Okay, no worries,
Yes and
man.
no.
Like, what?
That my own
Uh-huh.
this is my only concern.
Mm-hmm.
Not that I'm prejudiced or any when a person from another country calls somebody else, they don't look at that as a legit call. It's kind of like
It does make
okay,
sense.
whatever. You're
Understandable.
not from here. I don't
Uh-huh.
understand what you're saying. Thank you for your call. Goodbye.
That happens, and I'll agree to that 100%. We are running a virtual call center, just for information, Larry. Like all of these guys are from Philippines, so obviously we won't be assigning any of the Indian guys. Obviously, we have some Indian guys who speaks like extremely good, in terms of American accent, but we will be assigning like some Filipino guys as well as like guys from Mexico, who will be reaching out to these leads and book appointments for you guys, specifically roof replacement appointments.
Okay.
Yeah. So that's how it's going to go. And to be very honest, man, after this call, I'll share you a few recordings, like how our agent sounds like the
Okay.
fluency, yeah, the fluency and how articulately these guys speak.
No,
All
that
right,
would
man.
be
So
awesome.
perfect, man. I'll do that. So let me just ask you this: how many counties can you guys target? If you can just give me a ballpark.
Counties?
Yeah, how many counties can you target?
Oh, just three. Be
Three
Dallas
counties.
and Collin counties.
Okay, just three counties. And
That's
how
big.
much
That's huge.
I know, man, like DFW is pretty huge. I was just reconfirming because, like we don't perform well when we're just targeting like one or two counties. And I'm just like being upfront about that, just saying from like last 5 years of my experience. And if we target like, an area with very low audience size, It's not going to perform, especially with Facebook ads. So now let me ask you this, like how much are you thinking to spend on ads, by the way?
I don't know. I have no clue. You got to tell me.
Okay, let's do this, man. You have two options. I'll give you two examples. So if you spend $30 a day on Facebook ads, that would be uh, somewhere around 900 to $1,000 a month. That would technically get you around 20 to 25 leads, right? And out of those 20 to 25 leads, you can expect between minimum of five appointments, right? But let's say if you increase your budget to upwards of $50 a day, that's somewhere around $1,500 a month. That would get you more than 30 plus leads. At the same time, we would be able to generate you 5 to 10 roof replacement appointments by the next 30 days.
Okay.
So that's how it works. So
No, I'll definitely. Well, I definitely want the more leads. If you get better results from 50 a day versus 30 a day, then I'd rather do that.
okay, perfect. And what's your offer? Like, are you running like some sort of offer? Because when we previously worked with roofers, these guys had like some good offers in terms of, if you are going to uh, get a roof replaced specifically from a company like us, we will provide you something for free, or we can give you some sort of rebate, or something around the lines of, you know, like something to incentivize these homeowners. Do you offer something like that?
Well, here's the problem, and yes, we do. So let me just say that first. But in
Sure.
Texas, we have to be really careful how we word rebates and discounts and things like that, because it's actually against the law here in Texas to profit from your insurance carrier.
Okay, does
So
make
they
sense.
require that they pay their deductibles and they pay all of these things, which is fine, but it makes it hard for us to advertise that, hey, we'll save you some money, or we'll save you your insurance deductible, or we'll give you a
Hmm.
free ridge vent, or it's just really difficult because I've actually gotten calls from TDI, which is the Texas Department of Insurance, saying, hey, you can't do that, stop that. They actually will pick up the phone and call me, which is fine,
Hmm.
but I'm just trying to figure out how we can do that because you said you're just in California and Florida. I don't know what the laws are like there.
Okay.
So I don't have a
Uh,
clue.
Let me do this. Let me directly show you one ad that we're currently running for a solar company. These guys also sell roofs. So far for this company, we have spent like 52,000 US dollars in the last 4 or 5 months now. So for these guys, we are running a roofing ad campaign in Arizona, and I know that's different market from Texas, but I'm just going to show you the ad, how the ad looks like. All right. So far we have generated 57 leads for these guys, and the current cost per lead is $21. So you can just expect in Texas, you can also expect your cost per lead between $15 to $20 a lead. And
Back up a second. Back up a second. Go back to how many leads you said they got.
57 leads so far.
Now, what are those leads? Are those what are how are those? Are they considered real leads? Or are they just people that just might have been interested?
No, 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 man. So it's name, number, email, address, zip code. And we also ask them questions around the lines of, are you looking for roof replacement or repair? How soon you are looking to get your roof replaced?
Okay.
So we will be asking these questions from the leads. Sorry for that. So yeah, so $21 cost per lead. We have spent close to $1,200. If we spend $1,500 a month on ads for you, you can also expect 30 plus leads. I'm 100% sure about that. And we can get you 5 to 10 roof replacement appointments by the end of next 30 days, 30 to 45 days. All right. Uh, okay, so this is how the ad looks like. Let me pull it up for you. So this is one.
Are
Okay.
you able to play it?
Yeah, I will do that. Yeah, for sure. Advanced preview. Just a second. I don't know why it's not going up.
Take your time. I'm in no rush.
Mhm.
I think my next appointment's at 10:30, so we're okay.
Perfect. Let me refresh this. Can you hear it?
No,
Just a second. Can you hear it now?
no, sir.
My bad, man. I don't know why it's not working. I wanted to show you the entire ad. We have multiple different ads for multiple
What's
different
can
states.
I find it on Facebook myself?
You won't be, man, because we are using our own page. So I don't think so it would be available for you to review. But what I'll do is after this call, I'll share you like few of our ads, how it looks like, so that you can review it. All right?
Who's that gentleman? Is that the guy that runs the roofing company there?
No, 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 man. So how we work is we hire spokesperson in US, right? We pay these guys, and these guys shoot ads on our behalf, and then we run these ads for our multiple different clients exclusively.
Okay,
That's how it works. So, like, if I show you this, can you see the copy here? This is
I
the ad
can.
copy. Okay. So this particular company is offering like $500 off a new roof, free inspection, free estimates. So we can also use a similar offer to this one for specifically your roofing company. We can remove this part, like if you can offer like something around the lines
I
of
don't mind leaving
$500.
that on there. I really don't. It doesn't
Really?
bother me. I'm just letting you guys know that if I get a call, then we'll have to take it off. You know what I mean?
Call as in?
If I get a call from the Texas Department of Insurance saying that it has to be removed, then I'll just have to remove it.
Yeah, that's manual. That never happened in the last 5 years. You don't need to worry about that because
No, no, no,
this
no, no. You
ad.
don't understand. This
Uh-huh.
is in Texas. They'll call me and tell me that I can't have that in my ad, and it has to be removed because of
Uh,
the Texas laws. That's all.
Got it. No worries, man. We'll definitely take care of that. And
Yeah, right.
obviously, yeah, and definitely before even publishing an ad, we will ask you to review the campaign, like how everything looks like, all right? And then we will be publishing these ads for you.
Okay.
Perfect, man. I guess that's pretty much it. That's how we get it done. This is our Slack channel. We will be creating a Slack channel for you here. Our team would be starting right from here. So,
Rebecca didn't talk to me about any pricing or upfront monies or
uh,
anything like that yet when we spoke. So I guess you need to tell me what I need to do if I decide to go with you guys.
no, for sure, Larry. I'll just do that. And I'm sorry, like Rebecca didn't mention the pricing. So generally we have, generally we charge $2,000 retainer a month, right? On top of that, you have to spend $50 a day. So that would be $2,000 plus $1,500 on Facebook ads.
Okay.
But yeah, so seems like you are someone new in terms of running ads, and we just want to provide you the basic experience so that you can just test out the water. So we can definitely get you started for $1,500, all right, as a monthly retainer instead of 2,000 plus $50 a day on Facebook ads.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's
Perfect.
how the pricing looks like. Yeah.
Okay. So do I reach out to Rebecca tomorrow and let her know, or do I call you back, or who do I call?
Yeah. I'll ask Rebecca to just text you and then you can give her a call tomorrow.
Okay, sounds good. I'll do that.
Perfect. All right, Larry, let's do this. Should I send you some information over to your email?
Well, I want you to send me the ad with the sound
Okay, let's do that.
on it. That'd be great.
Okay, perfect,
Does
man.
that sound good?
Uh-huh. All good?
Yeah, and in the email, can you put your? Are you guys? Well, you're in India, so never mind. It's all good. Never mind.
No, man. Tell me, like, just ask
Oh,
me,
it's all
like, what
good.
were you
Never
saying?
mind. You're in India. There's no way for me to look it up. Never mind.
Like, are you
I
talking
was just
about a
gonna look your
website?
company. I was just gonna look up your reputation online, but you're in India, so I won't find anything.
No, man. You will be finding every single thing. Why not? We have a US LLC set up. I'm not sure if you're aware of it.
A
I'll
what?
We have a US LLC set up also.
I didn't understand your word there. Say that again. You have a
Yeah,
what set up?
we also have a US LLC set up, a US based company.
Oh, okay. And what's the name of it?
So the company name is SolarSavingsAlliance.com, and
So
this is our main website.
savings,
Yeah,
solar savings.
Alliance. I'll share you all the information. No worries. All right.
Okay, yeah, just send it all to me. That'd be great.
No worries, Larry. You don't have to worry about anything now. Yeah, I got it
Okay.
covered. Perfect, man. You have a good day and all the best for your next appointment. All right.